What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Dangling with Dev video. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, guys. So if you're not already, make sure you're subscribed, hit that like button, comment down below, turn on the post notifications. You guys know what to do. Today's video is all about topwater, guys, and specifically a buzzbait, guys. I've never caught a fish on a buzzbait, so we're gonna be going inside Academy, right over yonder, my neighborhood academy, and we're gonna be getting a Hummer. I'll probably stick to Lojo's recommendation, get a black and gold Hummer, maybe throw a little trailer on there. I don't really know, but if you want to, go to GOOGAN.com, use code DEV, copy you one as well. With that said, we're gonna get inside, we're gonna get straight into this video, guys. Nothing but straight fish in this video, let's go. And we're inside of Academy. Guys, we're in the soft plastic section right now. I'm gonna get a trailer, a saucy swimmer for my buzzbait whenever I find those. Haven't found those yet. I'm gonna go with a 3.8. saucy swimmer. I feel like that's a really good trailer size for anything you're throwing. Sorry, I just like broke it. Sorry, Academy. Yeah, I feel like it's a really good trailer size for any kind of thing you're throwing, whether it's a chatterbait, spinnerbait, whatever, on the Hummer. Never done it before, but I'm gonna find where they at. Where they at? Spinners, clickbait. No. Strike King buzzbait. Nah, we ain't gonna do that. Oh, here we go. Whoa, is that the only one? All right, guys. We have the white Hummer and half ounce. I think that's the only one they have, so that's what we're getting. We're getting a half ounce white Hummer, and we're gonna be pairing that up with a saucy swimmer. It's really that simple. Let's go check out. Use code DevGooganSquad.com. Use code DevGooganSquad.com. Use code DevGooganSquad.com. Use code DevGooganSquad.com. Use code Dev at GOOGANSquad.com. Use code Dev at GOOGANSquad.com. All right, guys, here we are at a local college. Not gonna disclose its name, but I have the white half ounce Hummer tied on with a 3.8 inch saucy swimmer electric shad. Use code Dev at GOOGANSquad.com for both of these, guys. But right now, on a sunny day, we're gonna try to get on my first buzzbait fish. That'd be really cool if it happened on the first cast and it was a stud. That was an incredible cast. There should have been a fish there. Got him. Oh my gosh, I wasn't even paying attention. Oh no, I wasn't paying attention. I literally looked down. I got jacked up. No, I literally looked down. Dang it. I don't know how big he was. He didn't feel big. Oh, dang. Let's go. Oh, come on. Oh my God, he's good. No, don't break my rod. Don't break my rod. That wasn't. Oh, you saw him?
Yeah, he's right here.
Oh, really? No.
Hanging out all right here. Where'd you cast?
I cast it just right up there and brought it back along the edge.
Yeah, that's where it's been.
Let's go.
That's the only big one in here.
I've heard it's my first time fishing the campus. I had a buddy, and my buddy told me that there's like giants in here. And
yeah, that one, he actually usually hangs out on that cement area over there.
Over there.
That bench, but I went down there earlier looking for it. Couldn't find it, and I was sitting here just soaking up some sun, and it swam by me. And I saw you.
You saw me over there.
I was like, that's pretty funny. And I was like, well, I don't know if it went to the other side. And I went and stood there, and it was right in front of me. So
yeah.
I can tell you when you came around.
Oh, well, yeah, thank you.
Nice. Well, yeah, you already caught the biggest one in here. Unless there's stuff out in the middle, which I fly fish, so I can't get out that far.
Yeah. Oh, you fly fish here?
Mm-hmm.
Really? That's cool.
Yeah, I mean, it's mostly just small bass, but if you're just looking to bend a rod, it's fun.
Yeah. I don't want to like get. It's okay to fish here. Right? Okay.
Yeah. There's no fishing signs. Like I said, that one yours looked a little bigger than the one I caught recently. I caught it off that cement piling, but it's the same fish. I mean, it's the same area.
Yeah.
But yeah, I haven't fished many on the outskirts of campus.
Yeah, that's probably what I'm about to try after this. So.
Cool.
Yeah, thank you.
Good luck. Have a good day.
You too. Well, all right, guys, that was my first fish on a buzz bait, and it came on the Hummer. You know, use code DevGooganSquad.com. I was not expecting to get bit there because I didn't get bit that whole entire pond, but keep on fishing. You know what I mean? That was big behind broom, dog. Let's go. Oh, it came out of his mouth. He wasn't big. He wasn't big. Wow, am I dragged out loose? There we go. Look both ways before you cross the road. Bro, just give me one tank, dog. Just give me one tank. No way, guys. Oh my gosh. No way, bro. What? All I did was drop my Hummer down in here and a 4-pounder just ate it. What? Oh my Lord. What just happened? Okay. Nice. I might go stand in front of that drain in a second, actually. I just saw that thing. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's go. A little, well, that's not even a grass grill, that's a sludge slab. Just made that one up. Oh yeah, was you hungry, little fella?
Yeah.
Oh, he's pretty. He gone. Oh, he's right here. He's right here. Okay, he's good. What? What the? He wasn't bad either. Got him. Bro, what? Not with this one. Got us a little behind. Oh my God, he came off. I literally looked away and just felt mine.
I thought you did.
Yeah, they're all little, more than likely. Ah! You... I got it.
I literally stepped on the...
I saw. I turned around and watched.
Nice. Thanks, babe.
Hopefully it's really waterproof. Starting the day off right, aren't you, babe?
The whole thing was hilarious.
Got him that time. Let's go. Let's go. A little behind. Jeez. Nah, I'll get another one.
Oh my.
Oh my God, I caught a bluegill. I literally watched him eat that. He smacked it top water. Oh, wow. All right guys, well I just caught a bluegill on a Hummer. Never thought that would happen. Guys, I hit the button record, but I guess I wasn't recording. Here's a fish. We're gonna get a weight on him. Smacked me top water. Zeroed out. I'm calling 1.2. $1.28. We'll take it. Oh yeah, good job, Devin. Thanks for biting, little buddy. There he is. Let's go. I mean, he's not big, but he'll. Ah! Wow. Dang it! It doesn't count. I didn't land him. Dang it! One day I'll be a good fisher person. Oh, let's go. Get on the land. Hey, 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 hey. Tell your mother I want to speak to her. No way. That's a turkey. There's a turkey in their backyard. That's hilarious. That's a pretty turkey. Oh, there's another one right there. What the frick? No way. Oh, he's pretty. Oh. No way, bro. Dadgummit, that was a pretty bass. Oh. Bro.
With my freaking bait. I didn't feel him.
With what?
I didn't even feel him bite that. I saw him swimming along the bank.
And you saw.
And I didn't think that he had my.
Nice.
What?
You gotta be careful. They'll pick this little thing. Hey, dude, you are feisty. He's pretty. He's got like little stripes.
Yeah.
And he's really pretty.
That's so crazy. I was just steady retrieving it, and he was swimming with it. There's another one right there. He was swimming just like that. With it.
Well, guys, my GoPro's being funny, and the Hummer just landed this. He's 4 pounds, 4.5. You know.
In your pocket, I think.
Yeah. I don't know if y'all can see. I don't know how well y'all can see. There's another little bitty bass right here. I can't see what these on. What does it say? 428? Bro, what? Alright guys, I'm gonna get him back in the water. We're gonna untangle this mess. Maybe he bites again. His little friend right here is just, can y'all, I don't know how well y'all can see this bass, dude. He's just chilling right here staring at me. Thanks, man. I wonder, ain't no way this is gonna be able to work. I wonder if this bass will. Baby. He dipped out. He thought about it. All right, guys. I don't want to end this video like that, so I'm gonna try to catch a giant for you really quick before I have to go. Now, the question is gonna be, oops. Find the giant. drain over there. Oh my God, he was huge. He was huge. How did he miss? He was so big, guys. Come on, got him. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Oh yeah, get him in. Get him in, baby. Oh. All right. Oh. All right, not the big one I'm looking for. Use code devgoogansquad.com. Use code devgoogansquad.com. Use code devgoogansquad.com. Use code devgoogansquad.com. Use code dev at GOOGAN.com. Use code dev at GOOGAN.com.